Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Trello and Google Drive together to streamline your workflow and stay organized. First, make sure you're logged into Trello. Once you're in, open the board you want to enhance. Boards are where all your projects, tasks, and collaborations come together. With your board open, look to the right-hand menu and click on Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello's way of adding extra features, just like apps on a smartphone. Next, click Add Power-Ups to explore the selection. Today we'll focus on 1. Google Drive. Click on Google Drive, then Add. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions so the integration can function properly. Once it's added to your board, click Settings, then Edit Power-Up Settings to fine-tune how Trello and Google Drive will work together. Finally, select Link Google Drive account and follow the prompts to authenticate your account. And that's it. Your Google Drive is now integrated with Trello. You can attach documents, spreadsheets, and presentations directly to your tasks, making project management smoother and more efficient than ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.